This COPPERTONE Sport sunscreen comes in a handy spray format and is perfect for long days outdoors. With SPF 50 protection, these BURT'S lip balms are made with natural ingredients and come in a pack of 4, which makes them great for tossing into bags or pockets. The Gillette Fusion 5 refills offer a really smooth shave with their 5-blade design and handy lubrication strip. This pack gives you 12 cartridges, each one including a precision trimmer for those tricky edges around your beard or sideburns. This DIFFERIN acne gel is a gentle retinoid treatment designed to clear up breakouts over time. It's ideal for sensitive skin and works best with regular use, helping to reduce both acne and inflammation without being too harsh. The MASTERMEDI tongue scraper set includes 2 stainless steel cleaners that are really easy to use and clean. They come with colorful travel cases and help cut down on bad breath by keeping your tongue free of buildup. ROK's Retinol Eye Cream is a daily treatment that targets puffiness, fine lines, and dark circles. It's lightweight and designed to work on all skin types. This Garnier Micellar water is a gentle cleanser and makeup remover all in one. It's great for sensitive skin and works really well at lifting away waterproof makeup without leaving any residue or irritation. MAKARTT's Nail Rhinestone Glue is ideal if you love adding gems or 3D decorations to your nails. The gel formula is super strong and helps keep your nail art in place for longer, whether you're using charms or crystals. These toothbrush head replacements are compatible with Philips Sonicare and come in a pack of 8. They're designed to give you a thorough clean while still being gentle on your gums and enamel. The COSLUS electric nail drill is a great tool for at-home manicures and pedicures, especially if you use acrylic, gel, or dip powders. It comes with all the bits and sanding bands you'll need to smooth and shape your nails with precision. This bio-oil skincare oil is known for helping with scars and stretch marks and works well on both face and body. It's packed with vitamins and absorbs nicely into the skin, leaving it soft without feeling greasy. The bikini trimmer for women is cordless and waterproof, making it really convenient whether you're at home or traveling. It's gentle on sensitive areas and comes with a ceramic blade for a smooth, comfortable shave. So Cozy Leave-In Spray is made especially for kids' curly hair and is both a conditioner and a detangler in one. It's enriched with keratin, jojoba oil, and vitamin B5 to leave curls soft, shiny, and tangle-free. The BEETLES Gel Coat Set includes both a base and top coat and is perfect for a glossy, long-lasting finish on your gel nails. It's easy to use at home with LED lamps and gives salon-style results that last. NYX's Epic Ink Liner gives you that bold, defined look with its waterproof formula and precise tip. It's perfect for creating sharp wings or subtle lines and stays put without smudging throughout the day. CETAPHIL's Face Wash is a gentle cleanser that's great for everyday use, especially if you have dry or sensitive skin. It doesn't foam or have any fragrance, making it a good choice for keeping things simple and soothing. NIVEA Enriched Body Lotion comes in a twin pack with pump bottles and gives deep hydration that lasts. It's enriched with almond oil and hyaluronic acid, making it ideal for very dry skin in need of lasting moisture. OLAPLEX No. 7 Bonding Oil is a concentrated hair oil that protects against heat and controls frizz. Just a tiny bit adds shine, softens your strands, and helps maintain color vibrancy for up to 3 days. GRANDELASH-MD Lash Enhancing Serum is perfect if you're looking to boost lash length and fullness. It's easy to apply with the included brush and contains a blend of biotin, peptides, and antioxidants to support growth. CLIGANIC Organic Jojoba Oil is a pure, cold-pressed oil that's great for your face, hair, skin, and nails. It absorbs quickly and is completely natural. PANOXYL Acne Treatment Bar is a powerful cleanser with 10% benzoyl peroxide that targets breakouts on your face and body. It's a solid option for anyone dealing with acne-prone skin and wants a simple, effective routine. The WAHL Micro Groomsman Trimmer is compact and battery-operated, making it great for travel or quick touch-ups. It comes with interchangeable heads and handles everything from nose and ear hair to brows and neckline. PRONTO Acetone Gel Remover is ideal for taking off gel polish, acrylics, and nail glue without much fuss. Gillette Venus Comfort Glide blades offer a smooth and comfortable shave with their 3-blade design and built-in gel bars. They last quite a while and release a white tea scent as you shave, which is a nice touch. Kenra Volume Spray 25 is a firm hold hairspray that keeps your style in place no matter the weather. It dries quickly, doesn't flake, and works well for adding lasting lift and body to your hair. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos by pressing the bell icon.